course, Shenell here, and we can break up that monotonous, everyday thing that we do, laundry, by making it, I guess, our space just a little bit more cheerier. And if that's a word, cheerier, make our space a little bit more happier while we are in here. We can beautify our spaces, and if we don't have really huge spaces, there is something that you can add, of course, to add that summer romantic feel while you are in your space. Something simple as adding a floral or a candle to brighten up the space and just to enhance your mood while you are doing the laundry. This is a simple in the know moment, as well as just a quick enhancement to your area, again, to break up that monotonous and mundane thing that some of us call mundane, but I actually enjoy doing the laundry. But this is just a simple idea that you can do for those who do not enjoy the laundry. Just place something very pretty in your space, and that enhances your mood. And you took a chore that you normally don't like doing, and you made it a little bit more inviting in your space. Thank you for watching. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you in the next one.